Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanajmore and today date is 28 June 2022, and today I am talking about application context and bean factory. So first we see Spring IOC container. Is Spring IOC container is responsible for instantiating wiring, configuring, and managing the entire life cycle of objects. Bin factory and application context represents the Spring IOC containers. Application context is the sub interface of Bin factory, and Bin factory provides basic functionalities, and it's recommended to us to use for lightweight applications like mobile and applets. Application context provides basic features in addition to enterprise specific functionalities. Next point is Bin factory. So the first foremost thing when we talk about Spring is dependency injection, which is possible because Spring is actually a container and behaves as a factory of beans, just like the Bin factory interface. In Bin factory interface is the simplest container, providing an advanced configuration mechanism to instantiate, configure, and manage the life cycle of beans. Beans are Java objects that are configured at runtime by Spring IOC container. Bin factory represents a basic IOC container, which is parent interface of application context. Bin factory uses beans and their dependencies metadata to create and configure them at runtime. Bin factory loads the bin definitions and dependency amongst the bins based on a configuration file, XML, or the bins can be directly written when required using Java configuration. There are other types of configuration required you, sorry there are other types of configuration files like LDAP and RDMS properties file, etc. Bin factory does not support annotation based configuration, whereas application context in simplest container, providing an advanced configuration mechanism to instantiate, configure, and manage the life cycle of beans. So it's all about the application context and Bin factory container. Thank you, friends.